Hello friends, welcome you all on your PDA education. So friends, the students who have got doubts in documents to be uploaded on CCMT panel, that let's talk about those options, or I can say what are the documents required. Okay, now if you are new to your PDA education channel, then please subscribe the channel, like the video and share the video. So here you can see candidates are required to upload. These are the documents for online document verification. Okay, online document verification के वक्त there are different documents, and when you go to the institute that you have basically finally selected, that you are going to accept the option, then there are some more documents. Here you can see list of document produced during the reporting at allotted institute. So in allotted institute you have to physically go there, but here you can see, here you don't have to go physically. Here is the online document verification. So as of now, this is what is required. Okay, so first document is document of proof of date of birth, that is 10th certificate that you can upload. Then proof of ID as per Government of India, you can upload your voter ID or your Aadhaar card, you can upload here. Okay, Aadhaar card or voter ID. Then mark sheet of 12th you can upload here. Then grade mark sheet of qualifying examination of all semesters. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? That all exam on semester. So if you don't have mark sheet of all the semesters, then whatever the semester mark sheet that you have, just upload that by making one PDF. Okay, now degree or provisional certificate. So the student who have already got the degree, that you can upload here, but the student who are in final year or basically passed the degree but passed the final examination but don't get the degree, do not get the degree, then what you have to do, just go to the I can say CCMT website. So let me go to CCMT website. And then you have to go to the documents or certificate. So here you can see this is the under course completion certificate. So you have to just go here, download and take the print, and then you have to fill this, and you are basically giving a certificate that you will complete, you are likely to complete all the requirement before 15th August 2021. Or if you are not able to complete, okay, requirement and his final result. Okay, 15 August means you are going to give all the examination before 15 exams, 15 of August, and final result awaited is likely to publish before 30th September. Now if you are not able to submit your degree or final mark sheet before 30th September, then you are basically disqualified. Now it is to be basically signed from the institute or university, I can say, from which you have graduation, you have completed your or are going to complete your graduation. Okay, so it is, friends, compulsory in any case. So whatever the condition, you have to make this document. Okay, now next is basically caste certificate. In case of OBC and NCL, EWS category certificate must be issued on or after April 1 2020. So if you are OBC certificate or NCL certificate, first of all these certificates should be in CCMT format. Here you can see the CCMT format, here is the EWS certificate format, here is the OBC NCL certificate format. Okay, so you have to upload this in the given format. Now if your certificate is not after 1st April 2021, then you have to submit some undertakings, like here is the given, I think, undertaking for this is category change, and here is the undertaking for OBC, that your certificate is not issued after 1st April, and here is the basically for EWS candidates. Okay, so these are the documents that are required during the online document verification. Okay, so here you can see, and 8th, undertaking by the candidate OBC NCL status in prescribed format available in the CCMT website. So here you can see, I think this is the undertaking for OBC NCL, this is the undertaking for general EWS. Whatever your category, you have to upload that document according to that. Original certificate for person with disability. And in addition to the above document, to verify, the official will also check the specific eligibility condition, if any. Okay, if original certificates are not in English Hindi version translation of such certificate duly certified by the principal director or other competent authority of graduating institute will require during the verification of the documents. So if your documents are not in basically English, then some signed document is required, that they will told basically during the document verification. Now what is going to happen here, let me explain you one thing more. that I think this is the first round. So what is going to happen here in first round, that you have to go for online document verification as per the schedule. Now status of online document verified. So if your documents are verified, okay, your documents are verified, then you have to choose the optional willingness, that is I have already explained, that is withdrawal or basically surrender. But if any query is raised, basically your document is suppose you are not able to upload the document on CCMT website, then a query should be raised and CCMT will give you a message, that is query read, upload document or respond as per the query raised. Suppose they have given you that the whatever the picture you have upload or image you have uploaded or document is not clearly visibly, upload again, okay, then you will get the time to upload that document again. But if your documents are not basically as per the requirement, then still eligible for the next round, okay. So still eligible for the next round, yes or no, तो भी continue. So अगर documents में कुछ गड़बड़ है, आप document upload ही नहीं कर पाए, then you are also eligible for the next round. So friends, this is all about the documents. For other doubts regarding the CCMT, please mention in the comment section.